25, 0, subtracted by, the result of, -2, 4 added by, the result of, -3 to the power of 4, subtracted by, the result of, -8, 2 is equals to. Solution. 25 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. -2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81. Only 3 here has an exponent of 4, the negative sign is not included. -8 squared is equals to 64. Negative sign multiplied by positive sign, the result is negative. Positive sign multiplied by positive sign, the result is positive. Negative sign multiplied by negative sign, the result is positive. Applying the rules, the results will be 1, -16, -81, -64. Sum up all according to their sign. Where in this example only one has a positive sign, though it was not being written but that is a positive. The result is -160. Rules in addition and subtraction of numbers with sign. If both numbers have different signs, subtract it, and then copy the sign of the bigger value. If both have the same signs, add it, and then copy the common sign. -2 2 subtracted by, the result of, -9 2 subtracted by, the result of, -3 2 added by, the result of 15 to the power of 0 is equals to. Solution. Two squared is equals to 4. -9 squared is equals to 81. 3 squared is equals to 9. 15 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. It is in the rule of algebra that any number with an exponent of 0, the result is 1. Negative sign multiplied by positive sign, the result is negative. Positive sign multiplied by positive sign, the result is positive. Negative sign multiplied by negative sign, the result is positive. Applying all the rules, the result will be -4, -81, +9, +1. Sum up all according to their sign. Now having this figure -85, +10. Back to the rules, if both have different sign, subtract, and carry the sign of the bigger value. If both have the same sign, add and carry the common sign. The result is now -75. 20% of 30% of x is 225. What is the value of x? Solution. The equation will be 20% times 30% times x equals 225. Transpose. This will become x is equals to 225 divided by 20% multiplied by 30%. Divide the percent by 100% to obtain decimals. The equation of x will now become x is equals to 225 divided by the product of 0.2 multiplied by 0.3. Which is equal to this. X is equals to 225 divided by 0.06. The result. X is equals to 3750. If the perimeter of a square is doubled, what happens to the area? Underscore. Solution. Formula of area. Area is equals to s squared. Formula of perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 4s. Where s is equals to side. Let s is equals to 1. Solve for perimeter, doubled. Perimeter is equals to 4s times 2. Distribute the value. Perimeter doubled is equals to 8. Solve for new side. Where p is equals to perimeter, double. New side is equals to p divided by 4. Distribute the value. New side is equals to 2. Solve for new area. New area is equals to s squared. Distribute the value. New area is equals to 2 squared. New area is equals to 4. The area is 4 times to its original. Note: any units must be in squared when solving area. If the perimeter of the square is double, the area is 4 times to its original. A 1/4% of a number is 25. What is the number? Solution. The equation will be 1/4% multiplied by x is equals to 25. Transpose the equation. This will now become x is equals to 25 divided by 1/4%. Make percent into decimal, and this can be done in this manner. 1/4 of 1 is equals to 0.25. Now let's get rid of the unit percent by dividing it by 100%, and the result is 0.0025. X is equals to 25 divided by 0.0025, which is equals to 10,000. Square root of 0.000225 equals underscore. Solution. To calculate square root manually, must group the numbers by pairs, from right to left. Divide the dividend 0 by the divisor 0, and the quotient is 0, then copy the decimal point. Zero multiplied by 0, the product is equals to 0. 0 subtracted by 0, the difference is equals to 0. Bring down 0 2, to find any divisor that can divide the dividend 2. Finding it out that 2 can divide 2. The quotient is equals to 1. 1 multiplied by 2, the product is equals to 2. 2 subtracted by 2, the result is equals to 0. Bring down 25. Find a divisor that can divide 25. Finding it out that 5 can divide 25, and the quotient is equals to 5. 5 multiplied by 5, the product is equals to 25. 25 subtracted by 25, the difference is equals to 0. The square root of 0.000225 is equals to 0.015. Square root of 0.00000081 equals underscore. Solution. 0.00000081. To calculate square root manually, must group the number by pairs, from right to left. Find a divisor that can divide the dividend. 0 is the divisor that can divide the dividend 0. Zero divided by 0, the quotient is 0. Copy the decimal. 0 multiplied by 0, the product is 0. 0 subtracted by 0, the difference is 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 0, the quotient is 0. 0 multiplied by 0, the product is 0. 0 subtracted by 0, the the difference is 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 0, the quotient is 0. 0 multiplied by 0, the product is 0. 0 subtracted by 0, the difference is 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 0, the quotient is 0. 0 multiplied by 0, the product is 0. 0 subtracted by 0, the difference is 0. Bring down 81. 81 divided by 9, the quotient is 9. 9 multiplied by 9, the result is 81. 81 subtracted by 81, the result is 0. Square root of 0.00000081 is equals to 0.0009. Which of the numbers below is 650 when rounded to the nearest 10 and 600 when rounded to the nearest 100? Identifying place value names. To the left from the decimal point. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. To the right from the decimal point. Tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Crash out option D and E, they are far to be our possible nearest answer. When round up to the nearest tens, option A, B, and C are the candidates. When round up to the nearest hundreds, option A and B are the candidates for the possible answer. Option C must be crashed out. Among the two, option A is the nearest possible answer. 645.01 when rounded to the nearest 10 is 650. $645.01 when rounded to the nearest 100 is 600. Round off to the nearest hundreds place, 9,750. 9,750 when round off to the nearest hundreds is 9,800. Round off to the nearest hundreds place, 9,650. 9,650 when round off to the nearest hundreds is 9,600. Actually, my answer to this is 9,700. I follow these rules in rounding off to nearest hundreds. I believe that the rules involving odds and even numbers when rounding off are only applicable to decimal. Number series 125%, 100%, 80%, 64%, underscore. We notice this number series is decreasing. What comes in our mind first is that the next missing number is less than 64. Actually, this is a trial and error. Let us now find a divisor that can divide both, with the whole number result as much as possible. We will use 5 as our common divisor. 125% divided by 5 is equals to 25%. 100% divided by 5 is equals to 20%. 80% divided by 5 is equals to 16%. 64% divided by 5 is equals to 12.8%. Please do not be troubled that we had quotient with a decimal. We have also options with a decimal. How do we know one of them is the possible answer? Let us now find a common multiplier that could result a number equal to our succeeding number series. We will use 4 as our common multiplier. 25% multiplied by 4 is equals to 100%. 20% multiplied by 4 is equals to 80%. 16% multiplied by 4 is equals to 64%. 12.8% multiplied by 4 is equals to 51.2%. The number series next to 64%, in a decreasing manner, is 51.2%. Number series 2, 10, 60, 420, underscore. Notice that our number series is increasing. Let us try 5 as our multiplier to get the succeeding number 10. Two multiplied by 5 is 10. For number series 10, find a multiplier to have a result of 60. So we will multiply it by 6. 10 multiplied by 6 is 60. As we notice now, the multiplier pattern is also increasing by 1. Let us now multiply 60 by 7. The result is 420. To get the next number series, let us multiply 420 by 8. The result is 3360. The next number series in increasing manner is 3360. The mean, median, and mode of 5 numbers are equal. The numbers are 7, 8, 10, 15. What is the fifth number? Given. Numbers are 7, 8, 10, 15. Modes, which is 5. Count of numbers, which is 4. Required. Fifth number represented by n, which is unknown. Solution. The sum or total of 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 is divided by 4, which is equals to n. To simplify, it will become 40 divided by 4 is equals to n. The result is 10 is equals to n. The fifth number is 10. The mean, median, and mode of 7 numbers are equal. The numbers are 24, 22, 18, 10, 38, 32. What is the seventh number? Given. Numbers are 24, 22, 18, 10, 38. Mode 7. Count of numbers 6. Required. Seventh number, represented by n, which is unknown. Solution. The sum or total of 24 plus 22 plus 18 plus 10 plus 38 plus 32, divided by 6 equals n. To simplify, it will now become 144 divided by 6 equals n. 24 is equals to n. The seventh number is 24. Number series 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 5, underscore. As observed, the pattern in this number series is alternate. First is increasing by 1. Let me show it to you. 2, 3, 4, 5. Second is multiplying it by 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 16. 16 is the unknown number in the series. Number series 15, 7.5, 7.5, 15, 60, underscore. In case you will encounter difficulties in finding the pattern, relying to the options is the best possible way to do. Here the options are bigger than the given number series. To reach our answer to the one of the options, we will do the multiplication. Now let us find a multiplier that could result to 7.5. We will now use 0.5 as a multiplier. 15 multiplied by 0.5 is equals to 7.5. Now we will use 1 as our multiplier. 7.5 multiplied by 1 is equals to 7.5. To have a result of 15, we must multiply it by 2. 7.5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 15. As what we observe, the multiplier is doubled to reach to the next number series. Let us now double 2, and it will become 4. 15 multiplied by 4 is equals to 60. It is now clear enough that the multiplier is 8. 60 multiplied by 8 is equals to 480. Our next number in the series is 480. Round off 2,833,333 to the nearest hundred thousands. It will now become 2,800,000. The product of the ages of 3 sisters is 567. If the 2 sisters are twins and are 2 years older than their younger sister, what is the age of their younger sister? As we all knew, that product is the result of multiplication. And in this given example, the product is 567, in which whatever we do, we will find hard to make such equation. But however, the given options are smaller in value than the product. And I believe that this is not an ordinary worded problem. This is an example of worded problem of number analogy. The options are smaller than the value of the product, so we need to divide to get the right possible answer. We will find a divisor that could have result an equation of a whole number. We will use 3 as our divisor. 567 divided by 3 is equals to 189. 189 divided by 3 is equals to 63. 63 divided by 3 is equals to 21. 21 divided by 3 is equals to 7. 7 is the age of the younger sister. Number series. 4 divided by 4 times 2. 8 divided by 4 times 2. 16 divided by 4 times 2. Underscore. The result of 4 divided by 4 times 2 is 2. The result of 8 divided by 4 times 2 is 4. The result of 16 divided by 4 times 2 is 8. Probably the next number series is 32 divided by 4 times 2. Unfortunately, not in the options, but this is equals to 16. 16 is the next number in the series. A solution is made of water and pure milk. If 70% of the solution is water, how many milliliters of pure milk are in 1 liter of this solution? Given 1 liter is equals to 100%. Water is equals to 70%. 100% is equals to 1000 milliliters. Required milliliters of pure milk. Solution. 70% added by pure milk is equals to 100%. Transpose the equation. It will now become pure milk is equals to 100% subtracted by 70%. The result is pure milk is equals to 30%. It must be divided by 100%. Crash out the percent unit. The result is multiplied by 1000 milliliters. Pure milk is equals to 300 milliliters.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated, for our next upcoming video.